So today, obviously, we did have the clouds around and that kept temperatures a little bit on the lower side. Right now, we're only at 79 degrees, but gosh, yeah, normal this time of year is low 90s. We did make it officially to 80 degrees for the record. Again, the normal being 91, the record being 101 degrees, nowhere near that, but I'm sure that's coming. So this is our Clyde Warren Park camera, and you can see a few breaks in the clouds, but just not a whole lot of sun. So temperatures being held back because of that. In fact, only 71 degrees in Tyler, but that's kind of where we're still seeing some light rain lingering around. You can definitely tell where it hasn't rained. We're at 85 degrees in Paris, 82 in Greenville, 85 in Denton, and 83 right now in Mineral Wells. Tonight, though, we're going to keep the clouds around. I think tonight, generally, it does look pretty dry, but by early tomorrow morning, scattered showers and thunderstorms will redevelop. So your morning commute does look wet. Temperatures will start out in the low to mid 70s, about 74 degrees in McKinney, 71 in Fort Worth, 73 in Waxahachie, and 73 tomorrow morning in Athens. Now, tomorrow afternoon, we're keeping the clouds around. I think we're going to see on and off scattered showers throughout the day, so temperatures will once again be a solid 10 degrees below normal in any one location. 80 degrees in McKinney, 81 in Terrell, 82 in Hillsborough, and 79 tomorrow afternoon in Graham. So satellite and radar showing the rain and storms. It started very early this morning, way out to the west. A couple of strong storms from time to time. That continues to weaken as it moves out of Texas and into Louisiana. On the backside of that, we have a few showers in between Abilene and Brownwood and down towards Hamilton. And then zooming in just a little bit closer, we've had a few very light rain showers, maybe a few sprinkles in between Garland and Plano and Roy City and Terrell, but even that looks like it's falling apart. So looking at our timecast, it's going to be dry tonight. We're keeping the clouds around, but eventually by tomorrow morning, your morning commute, rain and storms will redevelop. So if I were you, I would probably give myself a little bit of extra time. You know how traffic is when there's no rain. Well, we are expecting some heavy rain during that time. About lunchtime or so, the heavier part of the rain and storms, that moves off to the east. We keep the clouds around with a few isolated showers hanging out. And then by the time we get to later in the afternoon and evening, here comes another wave of rain and storms. The stronger storms look to be just off to the east by about 7 o'clock. And then once we get into Wednesday night to Thursday morning, another wave of rain and storms. It's not going to be an all-day rain event by any means, but we're at least going to have that chance kind of linger throughout the afternoon and evening. But by Thursday evening at 7, now most of that will be in East Texas with maybe a strong storm or two, a possibility. Not expecting severe weather. Can't rule out a few gusty winds, maybe around 35, 40 miles an hour, and pockets of pea-sized hail, but that would be very isolated. Nonetheless, the coverage of storms will stay in that high to likely category all the way through Thursday, but by Friday, the coverage goes down to 10%, so it is looking drier. Saturday and Sunday, even for Father's Day, the rain chances are starting to creep back up, but for now, we're going to keep it at about a 20% coverage. Looking at your 14-day, at least the first half, overall, temperatures staying below normal because of all the rain chances. By early next week on June 16th, we're up to about a 20% coverage of rain and storms. Temperatures look a lot warmer by then as well. We're going to be back in the low 90s. And looking at the second half of that 14-day, for the first several days of that, it looks kind of hot. Temperatures in the low to mid 90s. Generally, it looks pretty dry. And then it looks like maybe by June 23rd, 24th, at the end of the 14-day, temperatures start to cool off a little bit more with highs back down into the 80s. Guys, back to you.